In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Wise debit and digital cards. This is a quick, reliable way to make sure your card is ready to use wherever you are. I'll walk you through the process in clear, simple steps and share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First, make sure you've already created your Wise debit or digital card. Once that's set up, open Wise and head straight to the home screen. Here, you'll see your list of currencies, each showing its current balance. Wise is built for multi-currency use, so when you spend, it automatically draws from the matching currency if you have money there. That helps you avoid unnecessary conversions and keeps costs down. To add money, start by choosing the currency you want to top up. Think about where you'll spend. If you plan to use your card in a specific country, it can be smart to add funds directly to that currency. Tap or click the balance for that currency to open it. Next, select Add. This button is usually easy to spot on the currencies page. Tapping Add starts the top-up flow for that specific balance, so you know funds will land exactly where you need them. Now, choose your preferred method and enter the details. Depending on your location, you might see options like bank transfer, debit or credit card, or other local payment methods. Each option can differ in speed and fees, so take a moment to review what's shown on screen. Enter the amount you want to add, then the payment details requested for the method you selected. Make sure the currency and amount look right before proceeding and that your payer details match your Wise account information to help prevent delays. If a fee or exchange is involved, Wise will show it clearly so you know exactly what you're paying and what will arrive. After you provide the details, Wise will process the top-up. Card payments usually appear quickly, while bank transfers can take longer, depending on your bank and country. Once the money lands, you'll see the new balance on your currency screen, and your Wise card will automatically use that balance the next time you spend in that currency. And that's all. You've added money to your Wise debit or digital card in just a few steps. You can repeat this anytime from the home screen, selecting the currency, tapping Add, choosing a method, and entering your details. Keep an eye on your balances, and you'll always be ready to pay with confidence.